Alright, quick video, y'all. Quick video. Real quick. I just guess this is just an update video. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, remember? Turn up, turn up. We back, baby. I was able to pull that out the greenhouse. Coming off wintertime, baby. To let you know what time it is. And you see that? You see how green that is? Putting that into a stir fry. Ooh. And yeah, we got some more vinegar going. This is papaya vinegar. You see it red, but you see them bubbles? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Alright, but nah. Seriously. I smell this thing and it already smells like vinegar. Now, if you don't know the recipe, it's some sugar, some mashed up fruit, and you put this over here so we can breathe and burp. Oh yeah. Still got my other one right there. This don't smell like vinegar as much. I think I need to mash this stuff up because you see the difference. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I meant what I said. It's a quick video. But turn up. Turn up. The second time. Porch light out.